Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids from this developer. This one. Then open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. Then when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!